That's true. Welcome back to Daytime Live. So Rebel Salute 2025 will take place on Saturday, January 18, 2025 at Plantation Cove in St. Anne, Jamaica. And here to talk about that and all about everything surrounding Rebel Salute is Marketing and Media Manager, Latoya Tolo. Welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, Latoya, my friend.
It's good to be back.
Big up.
All right, what's new for Rebel Salute 2025? And tell us about the lineup.
Okay, 2025, our 31st year, so we're looking at the next 30 years. We are in what we call a restructuring process. And, you know, originally from Manchester to St. Elizabeth, it has always been one day. And it was still a good vibe, great vibe. In the restructuring process and adding new things, so it's not that it's a reduction or anything, because people are wondering, it's like, it's only just gone to one day, but we have other things coming along the pipeline, not just in January, so stay tuned for that. Awesome. But for January 18, 2025, we will be introducing Celebrity Cook-Off. We have the 7-star general himself, Mr. Lewis.
7!
I wonder how many dishes will be you making?
7. We have Delamar from RDX, Craig from Voicemail.
Is that Craig knows that? What?
No, sir.
Okay, and we have Walk and Talk and others. Yeah.
That's an interesting.
So yes,
interesting group.
It will be interesting, and there are 3 teams, you know, representing the rebel colors: the green, the gold, the red. Yeah. And always remember, you know, when it comes to Rebel Salute, when Tony Rebel started this, what started as a birthday celebration, it was about the things that he loved and the things that he promoted, and he. You know, I would say he was like a vanguard in terms of the healthy eating before vegan became a thing and a movement. He promoted that type of lifestyle. So for 31 years, we're still pushing and encouraging that type of lifestyle. So it's still a no meat, no alcohol event also that will be displayed in the food competition. So it would be interesting to see the twist.
What them come up with.
It'll be very interesting, and we have like a little secret ingredient that we're going to push on them. You know, surprise to see how they will use up that. Yes.
And that we didn't want that.
Yes, man. There are some challenges, of course, to make it fun and interesting.
Yeah. All right, so one of the questions that everybody is interested in, what is the lineup for Rebel Salute 2025?
All right, so you know, it's been a while since Maxi Priest is performing in Jamaica, and he's already here. Nice. Already here in Jamaica, ready for Saturday. So Maxi Priest, you have Tony Rebel, you have Luciana the Messenger, Queen Africa, Richie Spice, and the world will be introduced to Rahimbos, aka Valiant. So you will see a different side to Valiant. And
so Valiant cut him here before Rebel Salute. Normally you would have, anyway. It's weird.
You know, it's always like, that's Rebel Salute. You never, you know, it's always surprising. Yes.
Yeah, reinvention. Show times.
And of course, Dawn Penn. Let me say, Dawn Penn from England, and she's also here as well. So, yes.
What? She just celebrated her birthday, too.
Yes. So she's here, and good lineup. You know, you're a little of everybody. I want to also say that we're definitely going to have Turbulence this year on stage performing. So I want to put that out there.
Yeah, I should have been. Showtimes.
Okay, so the activities, early activities that I want to encourage everyone to come out to. And you know, Rebel Salute is like a family event. You can come early, gates open 3 p.m. and it's one price. The end time hasn't changed. It's still one price. Gates open early, 3 p.m. The activities in the food village. We have lots of prizes. You have the herb curb. We have a health fair this year as well. And all these activities start about 3:30, 4 p.m. as soon as the gates open, you know. So that's good to go. And showtime on stage starts at 7 p.m.
Okay, so you mentioned one price. What is that one price?
The one price is, at the moment, $14,250. And we had so many deals before. And at the gate, it will be 15,000. That's general. VIP is 20,250, and VIP at the gate is 21,000. And for those who, want something else, a little extra, we have an ultra VIP, but you have to get in touch with us at www.rebelsalutejamaica.com.
Ultra VIP. You spoke of the herb curb. Tell us a couple of things that will be going on there, which is...
No, man, you have to enunciate when you say that.
Herb.
Stop.
Curb.
That is it.
So, the Caribbean's largest cannabis festival. We'll be having the Herb Curb again, and we have the symposium as we always do. This year, there's a special awards ceremony for the Herb Curb. So you want to go out and check it out early in the day, like I said, from 3 p.m. You will have steam and sip. Steam and paint, I should say. Steam and paint. As you know, it's not a...
It's not a paint and sip, it's
right.
a paint and steam. Steam and paint.
Right, so you puff and you paint under the vibe. A nice, relaxing kind of vibe.
Yeah.
Oh, I see them picture there.
They say
that's the one line. That's one line. That's it. That's it right there.
So, that's all right. What I want to ask you is, what is your favorite thing about Rebel Salutes?
From a production point. It's different parts to it. To be honest, I've grown in Rebel Salute production. I started 2001, still in high school. So I've never really had the chance to just be a saluter, just standing up watching. But I must say, over the years, I've had the opportunity to see artists that I have heard my grandfather or have heard.
To see them. Running out of time. Quickly, tell us on IG and social media for more information on Rebel Salute. Quickly, we have like 10
Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Rebel Salute Jamaica. Or visit our website, rebelsalutejamaica.com.
That's about it. Thank you, guys.